back to the channel. Today we're going to change out this 1211 carburetor. I have a little bit of a hiccup in it. I believe this wall burl has a sticky float in it. We're going to do this unedited. Hopefully it goes well. This isn't the worst job in the world to do. There's no question about it. I did buy an Amazon carburetor. We're going to see if it's a plug and play. I did make a few adjustments with the carburetor. They sent one with the ball socket joint on the top. I cut that off because I'm going to use the plastic one, so you'll see that a little bit through here. I love this 1211. Kind of a special story with this machine here. I've wanted a 1211 for quite some time. Good friend brought it in for me. To be honest with you, this is the only 1211 I've ever seen in my life. And I actually get quite a few Cub Cadets. Flip that down like so. Did not realize that's pretty dirty in this area right here. Probably ought to shut the fuel off. Off. Takes a ½ inch. I've had pretty good success with some of these carburetors. I've had a few that weren't quite that grand, but mainly where I run into a few issues is on the command motors. Okay, we're going to put that right down there. Something I am going to get is some WD-40. I'm going to use the original gasket. Tighten it right up. think we have it just about centered. Turn on the gas again. There we go. Make sure all the functions work. And now it's time to try it. We'll see if she runs. Let's give it a little bit of energy. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'm very happy with this. I'll get the air cleaner back on. I'm going to clean up all this area right here. I like everything to be really clean. I forgot to press down on the pedal to get it to start correctly. So, but I'm real happy with this 1211. Thanks for following me each and every day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And we'll see you on the next video.